Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your property from standard to featured or premium using Property Finder credit. So once you log into your account and you go to Properties page, you need to select the property that you would like to upgrade, and you need to make sure it's approved and published. Once you select your property, click on the Action menu and choose Boost on Property Finder. Also, you can just open the property, go to the right side and click on Upgrade. You will see a pop-up message on your screen that displays the two options of featured and premium. You can choose either a duration of 15 days or 1 month, and you will have the possibility to choose to put the auto renew on or off. You will see the amount of credit that we need to deduct for the upgrade, and we will give you a possibility to get a discount within the first 3 days from creating the property. Let's take an example. If we choose to take an option of 15 days featured and we choose to put the property on auto renew, this will mean automatically after 15 days we need to take the same amount of credit for your property to renew for another 15 days as feature type. However, if you choose to untick the auto renew, once the 15 days of feature type are over, your property will downgrade automatically into standard, and this goes the same as the premium type. Once you're ready and you choose your option, please click on Apply, and we will deduct the property to change your property status and upgrade it as you wish. Thank you for watching this video, and if you would like to know more information about how to utilize your Property Finder credit, please refer to our help section. Thank you.